Hello YouTube, this is Adam Campbell of Monster Supplements, and I am back. I'm not doing another training log, so I won't be videoing every training session, but I decided today to video my leg workout, just because it was last week's workout of the week on FitMag, which is www.monstersupplements.com/resource. So if you want to check it out, you can go on down to the weekly features. I did legs today, and at the moment I'm doing legs every Tuesday with a friend of mine called Ross, and every week we invite a new person to come do legs with us, one of our colleagues, a personal trainer at the gym, or it's any member of the gym, and we've had quite a few people come do it with us, and so far no one has come back after the first session, so hopefully you'll be able to tell me why. I think it was a very tough session today. Hopefully you'll agree with me. I worked really hard, and it was probably one of the most knackering leg sessions I've ever done. I am going to hopefully start a new video series, just to let you all know. I'll stop rambling on in a minute and you can watch the video, but I'm going to do some training tutorials, things like variations of exercises you can do, and how to perform certain exercises. So stay tuned on the Monster Supplements channel for a few more videos coming soon. Check out the workout.
My human side is slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no, there is no turning back now. You've woken up the demon. Yeah, man. Down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it open to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucker, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. And this is the gift that has been given to me. I can see inside you. The sickness is rising. Don't try to deny what you feel. Will you give it to me? It seems that all that was good has died and is decaying in me. Will you give it to me? It seems you're having some trouble in dealing with these changes, living with these changes. Oh no, the world is a scary place now that you've woken up the demon. Yeah, man. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it open to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucker, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Man, this is the gift that has been given to me. Come on, get down with the sickness.